Well, hey there, Mission Hill family. I hope you can see and sense and maybe even hear some of the excitement that I'm able to enjoy in this moment. I'm here in what we're calling the South Lobby, the new entrance into our renovated worship center and gathering space. This is getting exciting. We're not going to show you everything today. I'm not sure you can handle that in one video, but we are on track to gather together as a church family on Easter Sunday. And when we gather together, it is going to be grand. We have waited a long time for this. And we talk about in our church often that the waiting room is no fun. There have been some challenges. There have been some opportunities for us to just trust the Lord. But now we can begin to see the finish line. And even this morning, I'm being told that yes, we're on target for Easter Sunday. So here's what I want you to do. Number one, clear your calendar. Make sure, whatever it takes, that you are here at Mission Hill on our central campus on Easter Sunday. You do not want to miss this. Number two, please pray. Pray that God uses this facility to do what a facility is supposed to do, to help us facilitate our mission. You know our mission? We're just broken people creating God's mosaic in Jesus Christ by meeting needs, healing hurts, and speaking His word, His truth, every day. So we don't want to stop doing that. We want this to facilitate that mission even onward and upward. And then the third thing I want you to do is to recognize this is not yet fully paid for. We knew that. In fact, we think when this is all finished, there'll be somewhere around $3 million that are still left for us to give back so that this resource that God's given us is fully funded. Would you help us do that? You can give through our For campaign even now. You can be a part of what God is doing in a special way. I want you to be a part. So you can see this is getting exciting, and I don't want you to miss out. I want you to be a part in every way. Be here, pray for this day, give to support it, and let's wait and see what God is going to do in our community, to the nations, for His glory.